जब हमको सिवियर हेडेक या माइग्रेन होता है तो बहुत ज़्यादा स्ट्रेस होता है और कुछ करने को मन नहीं करता. यू डोंट फील लाइक डूइंग एनी अदर एक्टिविटीज, जस्ट वांट टू गेट रिड ऑफ दिस हेड, राइट? Best way is to practice yoga. I'll be teaching you 2-3 asanas which will really help you to reduce your headache and migraine, and you can also practice this whenever you get headache. Okay, so while you're having headache you can practice. First one is called as the Adho Mukh Virasana. So for this what you have to do is you have to sit on your heels in Vajrasana first. Okay, then you can just spread your legs. You have to spread your legs and bring your toes touching each other. ऐसे बैठना है like this. You have to spread your knees and then slowly go down. Spread your hands and keep your head down. Best practice to reduce your headache. Inhale, exhale. Close your eyes and take deep breaths. Try to take 10 to 15 deep breaths. Hold the posture for 1 minute and slowly come up. Yes. The next one is Supta Baddha Konasana. For this you have to keep your feet like this in the butterfly pose. Yes, feet touching each other. And now slowly you have to lie down and relax your head. You can even keep a pillow here below your head and be relaxed. Take deep breaths. You can keep your hands down and stay relaxed and hold this for 1 minute and then slowly you can come back. Now you will tell me you don't have time to practice yoga. आपको अगर टाइम नहीं मिल रहा है योगा प्रैक्टिस के लिए, then you can do this mudra. This is called as a Mahashish mudra. Very important mudra. For this what you have to do is take the index finger and your middle finger and touch the tip of the fingers to the tip of your thumb like this. Then what you have to do, take the ring finger and place your ring finger like this at the end, at the bottom of the thumb, and then the last finger out. So this is what is called as a Mahashish mudra, which you can practice it daily or whenever you have migraine, headache. This is the best practice, and it also activates the pressure points, which is good to reduce your headache. Then the next, this is the oil water mixture which I have taken, details mentioned on the screen, and just mix it well. We are doing the face massage. This is the forehead massage. So you have to dip your entire fingers in this mixture, and with the thumb just hold the temple area, and with 4 fingers at the center just slide around your forehead 10 times. You can do this 10 times. You can close your eyes and feel relaxed. You'll feel a nice cooling effect while you do this. And then after the 10 rounds you can just press besides the temple area, just press here and rotate 5 times clockwise, 5 times anti-clockwise. You can repeat this for more 2 rounds. स्ट्रेस रिलीज के लिए योगा एक बहुत अच्छा ऑप्शन है, बट मेक श्योर टू फॉलो सम गाइडलाइंस. जब आपको माइग्रेन होता है तो आप थोड़े आपके बैड हैबिट्स को चेंज करो. वन थिंग इज ट्राई टू रिड्यूस योर स्क्रीन टाइम. ट्राई टू यूज लेस मोबाइल फोन्स एंड लेस यूज ऑफ लैपटॉप्स, टीवीज. ओके, उससे आपको बहुत अच्छी नींद भी आती है रात को और आपको माइग्रेन भी कम हो जाएगा आपका. यस. सेकेंड प्रॉब्लम इज एसिडिटी प्रॉब्लम. जब आपको एसिडिटी प्रॉब्लम होता है, वाई यू गेट एसिडिटी प्रॉब्लम? बिकॉज ऑफ हैविंग आउटसाइड फूड, जंक फूड्स, और मे बी बिकॉज ऑफ नॉट हैविंग फूड्स ऑन टाइम. टाइम टू टाइम अगर आप खाना नहीं खाते हो तो भी आपको हेडेक हो सकता है. सो मेक श्योर दैट यू हैव योर फूड ऑन टाइम, स्पेशली योर ब्रेकफास्ट. अगर आपका सुबह का पहला मील अगर लेट हो जाए तो भी आपका हेडेक ज़्यादा बढ़ता है, एंड दैट इज़ वन मेजर रीज़न फॉर माइग्रेन. The third one is keep yourself hydrated, keep yourself stress free, and keep watching Let's Yoga with Kritika at Yog Prakriti Studio. Check out these amazing cool yoga outfits today. Go get it now.